The Poo Files.
Pooh Files, open.
Vegans. Oh, they're everywhere. Even in the bird world. The kakapo's committed to a plant-based diet. They're particularly fond of chewing pine needles, so their poos smell piney fresh. Very trendy.
Fart facts.
Guinea pigs. They fart a lot, but their farts are so squeaky, it's hard to tell whether they're farting or talking. Could you repeat that, please? Oh, actually, no. Blue whales. They're the biggest mammals in the world, so their fart bubbles are flippin' massive. But are they big enough to fit a horse inside? Place your bets.
Historical nuggets.
King Henry VIII of England, famous for having 6 wives and also employing 4 grooms of the stool. Their job was to wipe the royal backside and attend to other private toilet business. It was considered to be a great honour. Not on my watch, it's not. Oi, what are you looking at? Could a horse fit inside a blue whale's fart bubble? Well, the truth is, no one has ever really seen one, so they don't actually know. Disappointing! Righto, you've had your fun.
Pooh Files, closed.